Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the LG 34 with the LG 39, and if you're looking like what are the main differences between these two products. So I even used the ChatGPT to summarize it for us so we don't have to like research it so much, and here it is. Now when I looked here, oh my god, I'm just going to move my camera like here. Look at it. So aspect ratio, everything is literally equal. The only pixel pitch is better for LG 34. Then LG 39 got better screen size, right? So you have the screen size of 39 comparing to the 34. Oh, wait a second. And then everything else is equal. And then you have just like, you know, like lower weight and things like that got LG 34. But other than that, it's just a difference in the screen size based on our specs. Everything is the same. So just want to make this quick video for you. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye.